Good morning, everybody. Today is Wednesday, November 30th, and we are checking the tires. If you're a truck driver, you know that you have to do this every day. You have to check the tires because I'm gonna have a 25 tons of soil on the back of my truck, so it's a good idea to have the tires in good shape. I hope you stay tuned to my channel so you don't miss any video. This is another video from this series, no editing and no cutting, just recording, uploading, and you watching, liking, sharing, and subscribing. Thank you very much. Going to work now. Have you seen how much sand we have here now? We have soil over there, sand from the river, and sand from another place to mix with the other sand over there. Today I don't have my liner into my truck, but I'm gonna put it back today afternoon. I appreciate your time watching my channel. God bless you all. God bless you all, guys. Thank you very much.